Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in Galaxy and we're going to be having some fun today. I'm going to be doing some more launching, point of view launching, and I'm going to show you how I set that up on my access port here. Alright, so you'll probably be in the gauges area, so you'll hit the back button and we'll go down to tune, select the tune, and then we're going to go to up to adjustments, and then you'll see idle adjust, adjust timing, flat foot shift, launch control, and then reset. So for launch control, we'll set that, and I got mine set to 4800, and that's where I'm going to leave it for now. You guys can mess around with that. Tire pressures, temperatures, all that's going to make a difference in what you're going to launch at. And for my flat foot shifting, I got that set to 5500, and that seems to do pretty well for me too, so I leave it there. Alright guys, here we go. And that's exactly what you don't want to do, guys. Make sure you turn the traction control off. This button down here, the car with the squiggly lines, turn that off. Press and hold it until it goes full off. That was my mistake. Alright guys, now that we got traction control off, guys, so a nice short video. I hope you enjoyed watching me launch my car. Hopefully when you guys do this, you take care of it and maintain it and make sure everything's good. Sorry I didn't have another install video for you. I have a downpipe I'm getting ready to order, so I'll have a downpipe install. I'm thinking about going with either Grim Speed or the Cobb.